The skies are changing. The U.S. Navy just unveiled the FAXX, a sixth-generation fighter jet that could dominate air combat for decades. With more range, next-gen stealth, and AI at its core, this beast isn't just built for war. It's built to control the future. So what is the FAXX? It's the Navy's planned replacement for the F-18 Super Hornet, but with 25% more range, advanced AI, and the ability to command drones mid-flight. In 2025, Congress allocated $750 million for its development. Boeing and Northrop are currently in the final race to win the contract. The FAXX will fly farther, faster, and deadlier. It can reach deeper into enemy territory without refueling. It has radar-evading stealth that makes detection nearly impossible. And its AI, capable of analyzing threats, adjusting tactics, and even flying the aircraft without a human pilot. In combat, it will also control drone wingmen, giving it swarm-level dominance. This isn't just about one jet. China is developing its own sixth-gen fighters and drone swarms. The FAXX gives the U.S. a massive edge in the Indo Pacific, where air superiority could make or break any future conflict. With AI, long-range precision, and real-time data fusion, this jet becomes the nerve center of any battle group. But it's not smooth flying ahead. There's talk in Congress about shifting funding to the Air Force's F-47 instead. Some worry that the defense industry might not have the manpower or resources to build the FAXX on time. Even with competition heating up, the program could be delayed or downsized if politics get in the way. One thing's clear: if built, the FAXX will be the king of the skies, a machine where man, AI, and machine warfare merge. For real tech breakdowns with no fluff, subscribe to Decoding Battlefields. War is changing, and you're watching it unfold.